the world is Nadia.
In English, sweet. This factory was founded 1902. They are here 600 people, 600 work. And we made 8 different brands. We made Cohibas, Montecristos, Partagas, Romeo and Julia, Hoyo de Monterrey, Ashhuman, Bolívar, La Gloria Cubana, and Ramon Ayón. The people work here 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. We made every day 20,000 cigars every day. Do you smoke cigars? Yes, what brand do you smoke? Cohibas, the best. I smoke two Cohibas. I like it. The best brand, the name is Cohibas. This is brand before Fidel Castro smoke. Every year we make the special cigar. The more expensive cigar that we make here now, the name is Beike, behind, and extra torpedo. What is the more expensive? Beike is the more expensive because normally the cigar inside is we compose by 4 leaves. For Beike, there is 5 leaves. This is 5 leaves. The fermentation 5 years or the fermentation. The price French, Spanish, England, Alemania, Brazil, and China. China. Yes. Okay. Interesting. You like it? That's okay. Okay.